Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to make a buddy list. First, you're going to log in to the member website, and once logged in, you'll select the Make a Reservation tab at the top right hand side, then select Tee Times. Once we get to our Tee Time homepage, on the left hand side there's a navigation bar where you'll find Buddy List. Once in the buddy list, you can add additional members to your buddy list by typing in their last name and selecting the icon on the far right side. Once that's been completed, that player has been added to your buddy list for use in Tee Time reservations. There are no limitations on the number of buddies you can have on the buddy list, and they will appear in alphabetical order when using them in the reservation system.